Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about things that you should start doing and things that you should stop doing so that your hair can grow long. Okay, so at the moment, as you see, my hair looks short only because it's not stretched. But if it's stretched, this is how long it looks when it's stretched. So I believe this could be medium length when it's stretched. Yeah, this is how long it looks when it's stretched. Okay, so if you want to grow your hair long, the first thing that you need to make sure that you need to make sure that you start moisturizing your hair. You add moisture to your hair, and not only your hair but to your scalp as well, because if your hair and scalp are not moisturized, your hair is going to break easily, and so you don't want your hair breaking, because that will stunt your hair growth. So you need to make sure that your hair is always moisturized. So what I normally do to moisturize my hair, I add a leave-in conditioner to my hair. I always use a leave-in conditioner, and I also use a spritz bottle in which I add argan oil. I also add olive oil. I add a leave-in conditioner, and I also add water as the main ingredient, because we need moisture in our hair. So you need to make sure that it has water as the main ingredient. So another thing that you would stop doing if you want to grow your hair, you need to make sure that you stop using hair dryers on regular basis, because if you're going to use hair dryers almost every day, your hair is going to break, and that will also stunt your hair growth. So if you need to stretch your hair, you can plait some twists. I've made a video on how you can plait twist, but if you want stretched hair, you can plait twist on your hair. Yeah, so or you can make African threading, that also help in stretching hair. So the third thing that you need to stop doing, you need to stop combing your hair roughly, because if you're not gentle on your hair, it's going to break. If you have to use a comb or a brush to detangle your hair, you need to make sure that you're very gentle on your hair. I don't use combs on my hair. I don't use brushes on my hair. What I normally do, if I want to detangle my hair, I normally use my fingers. Yeah, I use my fingers to detangle my hair, because I think that is more gentle than using a comb or a brush to detangle your hair. So even if you were to use a comb or a brush, you need to be gentle and not just be pulling tightly or forcefully on your hair. Okay, so another thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that you don't manipulate your hair too often. You need to stop manipulating your hair. There are people who style their hair like every day or every 2 days. You need to make sure that you don't manipulate your hair, because the more you manipulate your hair, the more it will break. So you need to make sure that you let your hair be, because if you let it be, it's going to grow. Okay, so that's that. And maybe the last thing that you could do, there are people who texturize their hair, or they add relaxers to their hair, or they perm their hair. So you need to make sure that you stop texturizing your hair or adding relaxers to your hair, because it's just going to fall out. So yeah, that's that. The key element in all these tips or steps, you need to make sure that you moisturize your hair. And thank you for watching. Bye.